Hi, everybody. Welcome to the podcast channel today. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to prepare for tax season. Okay. If so many people have problems during tax season, I want to share helpful information that will help you during tax season. Okay. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's down in the description box, and you'll learn more about me as well. For those of you who don't know, I am owner of By Grace Tax Services LLC. I have an MBA, I am an ERO, and I'm a certified tax preparer. And our team is here to help you build and develop successful strategies today for a financially secure tomorrow. So you don't want to miss this video. Make sure that you stay tuned, okay? Also, before I get started, I had so many problems. I want to make sure that I check to make sure the video is working, you guys. Um, Sometimes I had to go back and do a whole new video just because it's not working. So I want to make sure that the video is working and that you can hear me. If you cannot hear me, make sure you comment on this video to let me know, okay? All right. Give me a few minutes. Also, for those of you who want also link to Shining Lights or dot hyphen dot teachable.com, I want to share that as well. For those of you who are maybe wanting to start a tax business, you can go on there and view Shining Lights hyphen dot teachable.com. Also, for those of you who may want to get my services as well, this is the link that is on your screen as well for those who are interested. Okay. So I want to make sure that the video is working. Okay. Now that you can hear me, if any reason during this video that you can't hear me, please let me know. Okay. Been having problems with it. So let's get started. How to prepare for tax season 2023. Hard to believe, y'all, it's coming up quick. I know we got to go through Halloween, we got to go through Thanksgiving, we got to go through Christmas, and then bing, tax season. A lot of people don't know how quick it's coming. So it's very important for you to prepare, okay? First of all, you want to make sure that you have a tax checklist. So you want to make a checklist, write it down so that you make sure you have everything to file your taxes correctly, okay? You want it to be correct. And us tax preparers, I can only go by what you give me the information, okay? And I have to abide by the tax laws, okay? So gather the right tax and financial data. Make sure you get all your information organized first, then gather it up, okay? Pull out your papers and your receipts and everything you need, okay? For an individual or a business, because you might be self-employed as well, or you might have a different entity like a LLC, a S corp, or a corporation. Make sure you have all those papers. Make sure that you have your social security cards. Make sure you have an updated license. Your license is updated in case it's out of date. Make sure when your W-2 comes that you have all the information that is correct, and I don't go by the last check stuff, but you want to make sure all your information is correct, okay? So you can go back and check with your employer in case it's not correct, okay? I had problems with some of the clients last year that some of the information on their W-2. Make sure you look at your W-2 form and your last check stubs. Make sure you get all the information to get those deductions and those credits. You want those, all right? So make sure you have all of that as well. So you can't come back and say, Miss Likely, you didn't give me that. You got to make sure you have all the information for that, you guys, okay? Make sure you have your bank statements as well if you have a business. Make sure you have let me go back to dependents. Make sure you have your social security cards for your dependents or any information you need for your dependents. Have them ready, okay? Okay, back to the business. If you're self-employed or you have different entities, make sure you have your EIN number. Make sure you have your receipts. Make sure you have your bank statement. Make sure you have all the information necessary to file your tax returns with an individual or a business. Okay? And make sure you wait until you get all the documents for the tax season in the mail before you file. That is so important. So many people didn't wait last year. They was telling people to wait because of the stimulus and all the other information that we got during the pandemic, and some didn't wait. And then they end up their tax returns was on hold for a while, and some of them are still looking for their tax refunds. Um, so make sure you have everything you need before you file, and don't get in such a hurry to file, because sometimes when you file early, it can get pushed way back. And a lot of people said, I'm never filing early again. Make sure you have everything you need before you file, you guys. All the documents that you need. It's going to come in the mail, your W-2, different forms you from your job, your employer, your insurance, anything you need, 401k information, anything you need. Make sure that you wait, okay, till you get everything before you file. Okay, number 2, choose your tax preparer wisely. Okay, choose them wisely, you guys. Now, if you choose somebody else to file your taxes, I cannot talk to you about your tax return. You have to go back to that tax preparer, by the way. Okay, I know that some of you hate that and you don't want to hear it, but you have to do that. So choose your tax preparer wisely. Make sure you sign your tax documents. Okay, if it's electronic, make sure you sign it electronically. I usually send a link, and I complete through a portal as well. You can still sign it, and most of the clients know what I do. The ones who have did tax preparation with me. Doing it yourself, you want to make sure that you have the correct software and that you know what you're doing. It's always better to have a tax preparer because we know the tax laws. And if you file them yourself, you are responsible for everything that you put on a document. So if you choose to do it yourself and not with us, guess what? You have to go with that, you guys. And I hope this video is messing up, and I hope that you continue to hear me and see me, okay? All right. So make sure you choose your tax preparer wisely, that they're certified to do tax preparation, that you sign the paperwork for your tax documents, and that you receive copies, okay? All right. Number 3, if you feel like you cannot get your tax return in on time, what do, you guys? You can consider filing an extension, okay? Learn more about filing an extension on irs.gov. Anything you need, go to irs.gov. They will help you, okay? Plenty of information about filing tax returns and what you need and all the forms and the information, okay? All right, I hope this information that I have shared has been a blessing to you. So I hope this will help you be more prepared, you guys, for tax season. Okay? And anyone who wants to know more about me and let me complete tax preparation with you, this is the link, live.pasita.com again, /site/bygracetax. You see the portal also on your screen, okay? And look down in the link in the description. You can see more information about me and what I do, okay? Y'all have a great day, okay? Be blessed and get ready. It's coming, you guys. It's coming.